up, guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World. And today we got some more accessories for you all to check out. This time it's going to be watch bands for your Galaxy Watch, your Gear 3, and if you get the Moto 360, you can put this on the Moto 360. Now this watch band is pretty much going to be for all watches that has 22mm lugs. Now I tried to find it for the smaller version of the Galaxy Watch and the Gear Sport. They do not have it. It's evidently a newer product that's on Amazon.com. I will leave a link in the description where you guys can go have a closer look at this. Now this watch band does come in 3 colors, black, white, and there's a rust color, or if you want, you can call it brown. I opt out for the black and the white. Now with this, I'm telling you, this is nice. I like the style of this. This is a premium, genuine leather watch band as well. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's do the unboxing. So we're going to start off with one. We got to choose one. Let's do the traditional one first. Right now, this is nice. You're going to like this one. I saw it was new. These people even contacted me to see how my experience was with it. I have not gotten back with them yet, but I will. Now, this is by a company called Finite. And this is your instructions just in case you do not know how to put this on. This shows you and help you how to put this on your watch. Now, what makes this good is that they have quick release pins. I'm going to show you what that look like, but this is a spare that they give you. I thought that was pretty cool as well. And of course, you get 2 bands, right? Now, I'm liking this. This is genuine leather. It looks good. I like the color of these stitchings right here. Looks awesome, people. But most of all, I like that they put a black buckle on here instead of a silver one. It's going to tie into the Galaxy Watch with no problem, and it's going to look good. Now, this is lightweight. It feels good, considering that it's genuine leather. It feels good right here, so it should feel good on the wrist as well, people. Should feel really good. Now, for those of you all who've never had one of these, this is your quick release pin. All you do is just pull it one way and it's going to go ahead and snap it right into the lugs with no problem. But it looks nice. I like the way it feels in the hand. It does feel like genuine leather. So yeah, people, not bad for $12.99. Not bad at all. I'm liking that black buckle. Let's check out the white one. Now, I got white simply because it's something that I've never did before, right? More instructions. So you got 2 instructions. Of course, you got another quick release pin for this one. So that means if you buy 2, you're going to get 2. But I opt out for the white simply because I wanted to do something different. I'm trying to step outside of the box, outside of the norm. And I thought, what would this look like on the Galaxy Watch and or the Gear S3? It looks good. It really looks good. I like the stitching again. This one here has a silver buckle, and it pretty much looks the same on the back. Yes, it is lightweight. It is flexible, so it moves around real good. So it should feel really, really nice on your wrist as well. We're going to go ahead and put this on the watches and see how they look on both. Okay, you all, now we have them on the watch band. This is the Galaxy Watch, and this is the Gear S3. And I'm telling you, it looks nice on both. Not bad at all. Let's take a look at the Galaxy Watch first. Now, black is traditional. I like the black. I like the styling of this part of the band, which is, I must say, the main reason why I bought it. It's different, very stylish. It looked like it's big enough to fit most wrists as well. But yes, this black ties into the black bezel with no problem for the Galaxy Watch. It looks good, blends in with the silver and the black buttons, no problem. And the back, it carries all the way around to the back. That gives it a good look, and it feels really, really soft, people. You're going to like this one. For $12.99, this one is not bad at all. I like it. Now, the Gear S3, this white, beautiful. Now, sometimes I wear all white. Sometimes I have on a white shirt that I would like to tie in a nice white watch band with. This one is nice. Not too thick. It's just perfect so far as the strap is concerned. Carries all the way over like the black one. This one is just as nice, people. What do you think? It looks good. I like the look. I like the style of this one. Finite, you did pretty good. Now, let's go ahead. Let's do a swap. So what do you think? I think it looks awesome, people. Both watches look awesome with the swap. Let's take a closer look at the Galaxy Watch. Now, my problem was with this one, I didn't think that this white was going to blend in well with the silver casing and also the black bezel that's on here, but it blends in perfectly. This is going to be my springtime watch band. I'm telling you, this looks nice. I like the thinness of the band, not too thin, not too thick at all. Feels good on the wrist when you put it on. Of course, this is going to have to give. This one particularly is a little bit harder than that one, and I'll tell you about that in a second. But the color, nice, goes nicely. You got a silver buckle. It's going to tie into the casing with no problem. But the creator did a great job with this watch band, but the white does look good on the Galaxy Watch, people. Now, the Gears 3, we also know that black goes with anything, and with this silver casing, it blends in perfectly. So it looks good, people. I like this look. I like the way it feels. I've tried it on my wrist. It does feel good, both watch bands. And this is going to have to give a little bit for me, although it's flexible and it's soft. It has a certain stiffness to it. Not much, but I can feel it, and it could be the size of my wrist. I have a small wrist, so if yours is big, it may wrap around perfectly. But for $12.99, this is the best buy. Now, I got to tell you this, right? Now, I got this one from a different company. I spent $8.99 on this one. I spent $12.99 on this one. This one feels like real leather when you feel it all the way through. This one feels like pleather, right? It looks like leather, and if you see it, you can kind of see the material is different as well. So I'm only going to send you one link, and that's going to be to Finite. Finite is the company that I got this watch band from, and that's the only company I want you to deal with because it's the company that I'm going to deal with. So I'm going to reorder the band, get me another white one, and I'll be all good. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.